Here we have for sale our 2024 on a 24 plate Ford Transit Custom. This is our signature styled Ford Transit Custom. This is a 300 model, which means it's got a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a 6-speed manual gearbox in this particular example. And this is in a long wheelbase L2 limited panel van finished in the fantastic metallic magnetic grey. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. I'll talk you through all of our signature styling package. I'll talk you through the fantastic conversion that has been done to this particular example. We'll have a really close look at the condition, talk to you about the service history and what we've done to it during our preparation as well. So a lot to get through, but starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a limited, you get a number of elements which come color coded. That includes things like the bumpers, the door handles, the mirrors, all come color coded in the body color, which in this case is metallic magnetic grey. Now, our styling package includes the gloss black rear spoiler, which we can see there, the lower splitter here at the back. Down the sides then, we've got the side skirts, there's also a front splitter, and these fantastic 20-inch alloy wheels, which we'll come on to a little bit later on in the video. But looking at condition here at the rear of the vehicle, you can see it's in absolutely stunning order here. Our guys have done a brilliant job of fully detailing the van, as they do with every single van that leaves us here, and this one is no exception. The paintwork is all contaminant free and looking very, very smart indeed. You can probably see there's a lovely gloss to it as well. Now you'll see these little dimples on the door handles, and that tells us that we have got keyless entry. You've also got keyless start on these Transit Customs as well. So basically when you walk up to the van with your key in your pocket, you put your hand behind the door handle and it unlocks the van for you. And then once you're inside, still with your key in your pocket, you've got, I say, keyless start as well. So you can press the button on the dashboard and start it up. Having a look in the back of here then, this is no longer just a panel van in the back of here. So you can see that it has got full fresh carpet lining in the back of here. So you can see all carpet lined up the side, this lovely detailing on the side of the van. A full head lining in here as well. So a Transit Custom, of course, as standard, doesn't come with a head lining like this. So they make a full headlining in the back with these fantastic LED spotlights. You can see a great job here on the wheel arches. You've got the full black Altro non-slip flooring with this threshold along the back as well. And then looking at the rear doors, you've got full rear door coverage also. It really does transform the inside of the back of the van. And then this rear seat conversion. So you can see there's 3 individual seats. These are Ford Tourneo rear seats, but crucially, being individual, you can fold them down, remove them, or in this case actually slide them backwards and forwards completely individually. So it gives you loads of options in the back of here. If you just wanted to take one seat out, you could load something longer down one side. You could take all of the seats out if you wanted to, and you've got the full size of a long wheelbase Transit Custom in the back, and they are quick release as well. So you can very quickly turn it from a 6-seater into a 3-seater if you wanted to. You can also see that center seat as well has got a couple of cup holders in the back of it. So for your 2 outer passengers, if you fold down that center seat, you have got a nice little armrest and some cup holders there. Let's have a look at the bodywork then down the passenger side, and this is where I like to look in these reflections here down the side. You can just see how clean and straight this is. Absolutely stunning condition, it really is. You're going to get the odd little blemish, of course you are, on any used vehicle. And let me just see if there's any I can point out to you, but it is looking very nice. There's a couple of little marks here which have just been touched in, and a couple around the handles just here. So again, these have just been neatly touched in, of course, during preparation. But if I can see them, I will gladly point them out to you for absolute transparency. If you open up the side loading door then, let's have a look at these seats from this angle. So, as I say, 3 individual seats, and they are sliding. So you can see they're on this rail system. You can, literally with one hand like that, you can slide each individual seat forward like so. So you can actually change the size of this space in the back as you want to, even without having to remove the seats. This actually gives you some access then into the back. This also gives us another look at that space from this angle as well. You can see as well the 2 outer seats have got ISOFIX compatibility, so great as family vehicles. You can also then fold these seats down like that, just by literally pulling on that handle just there, and that folds each of them down flat individually. If I pick this seat back up then, from this position, you can pull on the handle again, and you can actually recline that seat a little bit as well. So lots of options. And as I say, from the folded position, you put a little tab on the back and you can remove that seat completely. You can actually turn these seats around as well. So if you, for whatever reason, you wanted these seats facing backwards, maybe you were going on a little camping trip or something, and you wanted to have them facing backwards and have your little picnic in the back, you can do that. It has got lots of options with these seats. Also, as part of the conversion, you've got side opening windows as well for a bit of rear ventilation. You can see they leave the bottom part of the bulkhead in just there as well, which just neatens it off at the bottom, but you've still got the load through hatch to be able to access the storage, which is underneath the passenger seats. Have a look at those passenger seats then. Again, fantastic condition here in the front. We can flip these forward and you can see you've got access to some storage there underneath the passenger seats. In the very center, you've got a little fold down work tray as well, so somewhere to store some paperwork just there. You've got two glove boxes on these, one at the top like this and then one at the bottom just there, so a bit of extra cab storage. But yeah, look at the condition inside here of the step, the floor, the plastics. It's in really lovely order. Now, we do have service history with this van. It's one owner from new, and we do have service history. It was serviced in May 2025 at 5,000 miles, and during our preparation we have put this right through our van specialist workshop, Bridgend Van Care, and they've conducted a further full service on it. So in its life, even with this low miles, it has already had 2 services carried out, which is very nice to see. And moving forward, it would be great to keep that strong maintenance up moving forward. Having a look at the alloy wheels then, we've got a beautiful set of 20-inch Paradox gloss black alloy wheels. These are fully load rated, of course, with load rated tyres. I think they tie all of this styling in very well. Round to the front, we have got the black honeycomb grille, which is a really nice upgrade. You've got the front canards and also the front splitter as well, which have all been added. And I think all in all, when you tie that in, a very nice looking van. Let's have a look at the condition here of the bonnet. You're going to get again the odd tiny little mark, which has just been, you know, in the own stone chip and things, which has just been neatly touched in. Worst one probably be in this one just here, which is actually very nicely done. But I say, if I can see it, I will gladly point it out to you. It's looking really very nice for a 24 plate. You know, it's not a brand new van, a 24 plate van. It's a few years old now, but it is looking really very smart. Looking here down the driver's side, yeah, very nice indeed. Let's open up the driver's door then. Let's have a look at a bit more spec inside here. So again, looking at the condition of the step, the floor, the driver's seat, it's all in really good order. You've got height adjustment there of the driver's seat. You've got auto lights, auto wipers, electric windows, electric folding mirrors. The vehicle is supplied with 2 full keys, and you can see these are the keyless keys. So again, you can just have those in your pocket, jump in, press the start button, and you're away to go. Having a look at the screen here in front of you, you've got this digital dashboard, 16,340 miles recorded. You can see there's no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard, so idling correctly as it should be. Into the center then, you've got this over an 11-inch display screen here in the center, which gives you wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, DAB radio on here, of course Bluetooth connectivity as well. All of your controls along the bottom here, so you've got your heated seats, air conditioning, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, all of that controlled along the bottom. If I put the vehicle into reverse, that is where you've also got then the rear view camera, and you can just see how clear and crisp that is. Looks very smart indeed. Down below that then, you've got your 6-speed manual gearbox I mentioned to go along with that 136 PS engine. You've got a couple of USBs there, little 12-volt socket just there as well, bit of extra storage underneath. Very smart indeed. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you've got your cruise control. On the right-hand side, your onboard computer controls as well. So yeah, very well equipped as standard, these Ford Limited customs, but as a full signature styling package on this one. The rear seat conversion in the back, previous history at 5,000 miles. We have freshly serviced it as well at the current mileage at Bridgend Van Care, so it is absolutely ready to drive away straight away with a clean bill of health. Fantastic conversion. We can slide those seats backwards and forwards. You can remove them as well if you want to. I think a very appealing package. We can arrange finance, so if you're looking for funding on this vehicle, whether that be as a private individual or as a limited company, by all means get in contact and we can give you a quote. At the time of recording, of course, subject to acceptance and status, rates are starting as low as 9.9% APR. We can also take cars or vans in part exchange, and we can deliver our vehicles nationwide as well. So if you're not local to us, we can deliver this van directly to your door. If you haven't seen it already, I'd urge you to head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we have currently got advertised. Thank you very much for watching.